Wiggity, what is up, YouTube, to the whole PlayStation Raptor Nation? JayBrandon back on the YouTube scene. What I got for you today is the unboxing of the PS4 Disney Xfinity Star Wars Saga bundle. And if you ain't wondering or questioning anything that has been going on lately, you have been like, where is JayBrandon at? Where have I been? I have been, you know, I had to move. Unpacking, painting, kind of just remodeling. All this stuff has been hectic. Our first weekend after back from the honeymoon, we somehow encountered a flood in our washroom because the person who installed the washing machine didn't properly put the hose into the wall. So when the washing machine actually went to dry, it actually popped out, flooded it. So that was a fun ordeal. So I don't know, let's stop talking about that and get back into the unboxing. This is the PS4 Saga bundle with the Boba Fett that is actually exclusive to the PlayStation. So let's go ahead and get this unboxing and see what's up in here. And as always, you know there's going to be a player's card in here, and if it has a code on it, it is yours to use for the PC. And feel free. All right, let's get into this. We're going to see right here off top, it says Star Wars, one Saga bundle, one. So it's just one Saga bundle, but it's in like 4 or 5 different languages. So we'll see there. That Saga bundle includes 3.0 edition software, Anakin Skywalker, Ahsoka Tano, Luke Skywalker, Princess Leia, and Boba Fett figurines. One Twilight of the Republic playset piece, and one Rise Against the Empire playset piece. 3 web code cards, so there you go, 3 web code cards you're going to get, first come first serve giveaway, and 1 Disney Infinity base. And to the gaming boo, I think that was his name was, I'm sorry, it's been so long, I haven't been able to get that stuff to you. It is and will be delivered to you as promised. I'm so sorry about that. It's just been such a hassle with this move, and I recently have no internet here, so everything that I'm uploading is getting uploaded through my phone. So bear with me, guys. I'm gonna try to get back on this thing. I need to get back onto the YouTube scene and actually just start enjoying gaming again, but it's been a hassle. Let's open this up. All right, guys, everything's unpacked and out of the box. So that huge box had this right here, the actual PS4 basic one, and then it had the Rise Against the Empire game piece, the playset, and then the exclusive. Let me get this straight. Boba Fett, which is a pretty good looking character, as you can see. I like his mask and all that stuff. That would be a separate unboxing there. But yeah, guys, this is it. I'm about to get back into the Disney Xfinity. I hope you guys are still with me. I hope you guys are still continued to support my videos and show some love. The giveaways will be back in full force, and the PS4 giveaway for the Disney Xfinity 3.0, because you know I do have an extra one. I have a whole nother one. Where is it? Let me just show you guys so you guys don't think I'm lying. Right there. Boom. Everything you need. That will be getting given away real soon, like at the end of this month. So stay tuned. And if you haven't seen that video, go back, or just, you know what? Post a comment on this video why you want that, and then I'll look at both of them and I'll pick the best comment from either video, and that's what you're going to get. A brand new PS4 Disney Xfinity 3.0 Star Wars starter pack. Alright, guys, my first video back in a long time. Let me know how you think the commentary went. I hope it was alright. Nothing scripted on this channel. I just have fun and all that good stuff. And there goes my little boy. He's juiced. He wants to see the video. As always, been your boy JayBrandon, PlayStation Raptor Nation, and I'm out, guys. Peace.